Hello, my name is Hiba Gamal, and these are my colleagues, Amal Walid, Irini Sokhi, Omar Walid, and Rada Wissam. And today we're going to present our project for the Digital System Design course. It's about a chair for disabled children. Now Omar and Rada are going to explain the mechanical part of it.
Okay, so in this project we have 4 motors connected to 4 wheels. Each 2 motors are connected to one side of the edge bridge, and they get their inputs from these 2 pins in the edge bridge and these 2 pins. So these feed motor A and these feed motor B. This is the right side and this is the left side of the car. It gets its power from 5 AA batteries connected to these 2 pins, and it also gets another input for power from the Altera board. In this project, we also have an IR sensor, which is connected to this pin on the Altera board, and we have a buzzer that buzzes every time anything passes in front of the IR sensor, and it's connected to this pin.
And next we have enable 1, input 1, enable A, input 1, input 2, and input 3, 4, and enable B. Enable A takes its input from enable A in the Altera, which set the input to A used to power motor A, while enable B takes its input from this pin used for enabling motor B. Input 1 and input 2, responsible for giving the direction for motor A, takes its input from those 2 pins, 1 and 2. While motor B takes its input for giving it the direction, and input 3 and 4 takes its input from those 2 pins, 3 and 4.
So here I'm going to explain the coding part of the project. First of all, the inputs to my code are these, which are the buttons key 0, key 1, key 2, and key 3, and they have a switch. Every one of them has a specific functionality along with the input from the sensor. If the sensor detected something, another action will happen in the code. Okay, and my outputs are the outputs here. My output is here, the one. Okay, so whenever you press a button, something happens, and the output is triggered from these pins here on the Altera and connected to the H bridge. It affects the motor somehow. So this is from the coding perspective. Okay, and my enables are always 1, so that these enables are always 1, so that the motor will always be turned on. And I have that in 1 and in 2, they manipulate the left part of the motor, and the in 3 and in 4, they manipulate the right part of the motor. And now Irini will continue with the rest of the code.
Here are the cases affect the motion of the chair. Case 3 will move the chair forward, key 2 move it backward, key 1 will turn it to the left, key 0 turn to the right. If we press on the switch key, the chair will break and the buzzer bit will be changed to 0. If the motion sensor detects an object, it will break and set buzzer bit to 1.
So this is for testing the mechanical part. As these buttons are programmed, this switch is the cause of braking. It causes the whole thing to break down. And this button is key 3, it moves it forward. Key 2 brings it backwards. Key 1 moves it left, and key 0 moves it right. So now for testing of the sensor, see, remove the card please, so it keeps moving. Okay, and so this is it. Thank you.